how to set up rebooking automation. We're going to navigate to the automation page using the left side menu. I will briefly explain what the feature does, but I just want to enable the reminder first using the blue button. Some of the settings have been already applied for you, but you can change those to fit your needs. So over here, we have email notification already enabled. We're going to select SMS notification. And you'll also notice that there's an email custom note. Now, this is for if a client has completed an appointment in the past, but does not have an upcoming appointment for that same service, then they will receive a notification to schedule their next appointment. You can choose which services this setting applies to. You can select the categories using the filter on the top right corner, where here we'll select the services and the reminder duration. Or we can use the bulk action to select the reminder duration at the same time for all services. Over here, we're going to select 10 days and apply it. This means that if a client does not have an upcoming appointment for that same service, they will receive a notification to book another appointment 10 days after their last appointment. Over here, we're going to select the first two services and actually change that to 3 weeks. And we're going to save those options. And now we're going to also change and remove the notification for service 1 over here and change the reminder duration to 2 months for service 2 and save our selections. And on the preview tab, depending on which channel you have selected, you'll see the email or the text sample or both. Keep in mind the email includes a booking link, making it easy for your clients to schedule their next appointment. You'll also be able to disable this setting altogether using the top right menu. Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.